can you tell us a little bit about yourself and the program that you just went through?
I run plant medicine retreats in Peru that are they're unique in that I incorporate modern neuroscience in the form of brain mapping, neurofeedback, along with like plant medicine like ayahuasca. So we have a really unique modality. I'm a Marine Corps veteran. I found these modalities really helpful for me. That's why I included in retreats. And I met Theo here in Peru at a different retreat. And we really hit it off and started talking about what I do. And he seemed really enthused to kind of help me out and coach me to succeed in this business plan.
Awesome. Yes, no, I remember seeing you in at the retreat, which was fantastic. So what were you sort of struggling with in terms of your business with your with AI and just business before we started the challenge?
Well, I think I have a very clear vision of my overall goals, and I'm very good, I think, at interpreting brain maps and doing these really specific tasks. But it was really nice to have a coach to have like an overall bird's eye view of the function of the business, where time could be saved, and just a general like overlook of the whole process. Because sometimes we can be like really fine-tuned on one thing, but miss other things. So having eyes on with someone experienced really helped me out in that process.
Yeah, no, perfect. So we went through the 5K and 5-day AI challenge together. What were the results from that week for you?
Yeah, the 5K 5-day challenge, it really was a quick way to get ideas of where to save time and become more efficient and learn how AI can be used in a business model, which I really had no clue about. One of the most interesting things was uploading published papers, and really kind of was able to, well, one, I put into a podcast, which I thought was really cool. So I could just listen to it while I'm like driving or, making dinner or something like that. But also gave a quick summary of the research. So a lot of what I do is parsing through research would be relevant for what we're doing, because everything's so cutting edge. So I always need to be aware of what's being published. Also, I learned how to kind of like time management and saving time, where helping with tasks and task organization. And one little cool thing too is just prompting AI to ask questions that, in my mind, it would be a Google search. One was what podcast to outreach to, and it really populated a list really quick and give me an idea of like where to spend my time and where I can find these podcasts to outreach to reach out to without having to do it manually through Google. So I thought that was really cool.
Cool, awesome. And for any people considering going through the 5K challenge and working with me, what advice would you give them?
Well, one, I think to be open to AI, because I wasn't really into AI at all. I think that idea of bringing it into your business model can be very powerful. And for me, that was really eye-opening as well. I think also just having someone look over a general business plan is so good, because we think it's easy to become monofocused on what we do. And so just other eyes on with someone who has a skill set, understanding of how business works, it can be really powerful. So I really appreciate that part of the process.
Cool. And to wrap up, how much did you save during the 5K and 5-day challenge?
During the 5-day 5K challenge, I saved about $27,000 in time savings. So, and if I value my time at $100 an hour, which might be kind of small because that's what I charge for my time when I'm working with people, that's the time savings we came up with. So it was a really powerful tool to understand, like, one, how much is my time worth? Many people don't think of that. And how do you put into a model, and then how do you save that time? So I think that was a cool process.
Yeah, no, it was great working together, and I'm excited to see you spread your impact.
Yeah.